Angie.
Let me go.
All right, Angie. See you. That's why a single life is a better life, you know, man. Cross is the whole of them, you know.
Babes, you don't tell me about Miss Bubbles and some dance program. But you don't finish talk to me.
She have a community outreach program when she start and she want me to teach some class. So we can perform.
Perform? You alone?
No, sometimes me and Water Commission and she want me to train some girls so we can perform too.
Mr. Water Commission? So, you have the name?
Christopher name.
Okay. You like it?
Kareem, a Patsy boyfriend.
Who? You serious?
You go like you don't know. No, you set them up.
Oh, yeah, talk. Oh, me?
Yes, Kareem, you.
But me never know say they reach this one.
Well, them dead and them like her.
No, man. Me never see that one day I come.
Me neither. But them say opposite attract.
So, when you take that community project here with Bubbles, how the shop go?
And every day in the views, I just 1 and 2 times. So, I like ask Patsy if she can work them days there.
Oh? Well, I realize you and Patty Town big friend from the other day. What question? You just saw them really?
Funny enough, you know, the time them she dey here, the shop make money. Me don't know how she do it, you know, but she do it.
Well, a lot of people not know still, but Patsy is a persuasive person. And she person my favor do me here.
Well, I'm my job that now.
Alright, boss lady.
No, the two of we are boss. And if you're not alright with Patsy or working in a shop, just let me know.
Oh man, I'm good man.
Alright.
I better Bubbles that.
Yeah, she said me have a dance class Wednesday.
Standard issued surveillance glasses. I don't know of any other organization that issues these.
Hey, at least it's still intact.
Ushi. Sir, now is not the time to play games. You send another agent out in the field to back me up. Me don't know Ushi.
We get me.
Unless there's another agency around that I don't know about, her training seems very familiar.
What's the woman you talking about? Alright, but
Sir, I prefer to stand up.